how to make a tarpaulin layout in Canva. Easy tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily create a tarpaulin layout in Canva. Whether you're making a banner for an event, a business, or just a personal project, this method is super simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right canvas size first, open canva.com and log in. If you don't know the exact size for your tarpaulin, you can search for banner or poster in Canva's template section and pick one that fits. If you know the exact size, click on Create a Design in the top left, then select Custom Size. Here you can enter dimensions in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. For example, if your tarpaulin needs to be 36 by 24 inches, just enter those values and click Create New Design. Step 2. Choosing a template or starting from scratch. Now that you have the correct canvas size, you can browse Canva's pre-made templates and customize them. Just type tarpaulin or banner in the search bar and pick a design you like. If you prefer a completely custom design, start with a blank canvas and build it from scratch. Step 3. Customizing the design. Now let's make it unique. Add backgrounds. Click on the Uploads tab to add your own images, or choose from Canva's free backgrounds. Insert text. Click Text, choose a font and type your message. Adjust size, color, and effects to make it pop. Add graphics and logos. Search for icons, shapes, or decorative elements under the Elements tab. Adjust colors and effects. Click on any element to change its color, brightness, or contrast. Step 4. Saving and downloading your design. Once you're happy with your layout, checkmark, click Share in the top right corner. Select Download and choose PNG or JPG for high-quality printing. If your printing company needs a PDF, select PDF Print for the best quality. Final thoughts. And that's it! You now have a professional-looking tarpaulin layout in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest design tips. See you in the next video. Blast off!